Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming 3 essentials: PAN, Aadhaar, and the mobile number seeded with Aadhaar for OTPs. Once ready, log into the income tax e-filing portal or open the Aadhaar services page and choose Link Aadhaar to PAN. Enter your 10-digit PAN and 12-digit Aadhaar. Make sure the name, date of birth, and gender match exactly. This prevents rejection later. After entering details, request the OTP to the Aadhaar-registered mobile. This moves you into the verification phase. Once you receive the OTP on your Aadhaar-linked mobile, type it in immediately and submit. The portal validates the OTP and cross-checks demographic data. If any mismatch appears, use the exact format from your Aadhaar to correct it. You may be asked to provide consent for eKYC, accept that to allow the match. If an alternative verification like biometric or offline acknowledgement is offered, follow the on-screen instructions. After successful verification, the system queues the link request for processing. After submission, look for an immediate confirmation or check your e-filing profile status within a few hours. Sometimes it takes a day. If linking is successful, you'll see Aadhaar linked to PAN and receive a message. If it fails, identify the mismatched field, name, date of birth, or gender, and correct the source document. Update Aadhaar or PAN as required, then retry. If errors persist, contact the Income Tax or UID Help Desk with the exact error message and supporting documents to resolve.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.